Hey guys, I ordered some tape. There's this like tape that comes with like the plastic like already attached to the tape. And so that way next time I go to the camper, we can like tape everything up, like the windows, the appliances, the floor. So that way we can go in and spray. So I bought the tape and stuff, and then I also bought the like putty stuff to fill the holes. So we'll do that. And then once we paint, then we'll be able to decorate. Once the paint's done, then we can take the couch there, put the couch together, and just like get everything ready. We got a generator, so next time we go to, we can finish the carpets. So, I mean, we're like getting really close, and it's already almost the first of the year. So we gotta get moving because